If you're watching this video, like and subscribe so you can get access to our full chord library and plenty of fun tutorials on just the chords. Today we're talking all about F major, spelling that F, A, and C all together. F, A, C. There's our F major chord. We'll build everything off of that in this video. To get an F2, add the second note up from F and we'll have an F, G, A, C. Some lovely color there for an F2, F, G, A, C. For an F4, suspended, we want to get rid of that third note A and suspend it up to the B flat. So we'll have F, fourth note up, B flat, and C. Leaves us one more, F, B flat, C. That is our F4, or F suspended. For our F5, we need just an F and a C. F5, F and C, it's our power chord. For an F6, let's get our main triad back. F, A, C, add the sixth note up from F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's going to be a D. Spell it F, A, C, D. That's F6. Lovely color. And lastly, for F7, we're going to go F, A, C, E flat. That's still a whole step away from F, our root note, seventh note up from this F. So we have F, A, C, E flat. Very jazzy chord there. Lovely color. See you on the next video.